How to redeem money from gift cards. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually redeem money from gift cards. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to redeem money from gift cards, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually open up your browser. Now, there are a couple of things that I want you to understand. That is that a gift card cannot be converted into cash and it's not redeemable into cash. It can only be used to purchase products depending upon the type and the value of the specific gift card. So if you have an Amazon gift card, you cannot convert it into the cash. So if it's a $25 gift card, right, you cannot convert that into $25 money and then send it to your account. No, that's not how it works. You can use it to purchase products at the Amazon store itself. So how do you actually convert a gift card into cash? Well, the only solution that I can recommend you is, depending upon whichever region that you're living, you simply need to sell your gift card at a fairly and relatively lower price. And that's basically it. The only way you can do it is to simply sell them. So if you live in some of the popular regions, you know that Craigslist is one of the best reselling platforms out there. So you can go to craigslist.org as well. I'll also make sure to drop a link down in the below as well. And then once you actually go to this website, you can simply list your gift card over here. Say that it's a $25 gift card that you're selling for $22 or maybe $23. That's the only thing that you can do, because a gift card cannot be converted. The only thing you can do is simply, however, sell it. Depending upon whichever region you're living, you can just use their country's platform to sell it. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.